mesdames et messieurs, soon we will see how you have learned the lesson of the soufflé. The soufflé, it must be gay, gay, like two butterflies dancing the waltz in the summer breeze. Tra-la-la-la. Very well. You have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. To the ovens. Too low. Too pale. Too heavy. Too low. Too high. You are exaggerating. Fair. So. Slappy. Superb. My dear Baron, you have not lost your touch. Much too low.
I don't know what happened.
I will tell you what happened. You forgot to turn on the oven.
Oh.
I've been watching you for a long time, mademoiselle. Your mind has not been on the cooking. Your mind has been elsewhere. You're in love, and I will venture to go a step further. You are unhappily in love.
Does it show?
Very clearly. A woman happily in love, she burns the soufflé. A woman unhappily in love, she forgets to turn on the oven. Am I correct?
Yes. But I'm trying to get over it.
Why try to get over it? You speak of love like it was a birth cough.
He doesn't even know I exist. Might as well be reaching for the moon.
The moon? Oh, you young people, you are so old-fashioned. Have you not heard? We are building rockets to reach the moon. To begin with, you must stop looking like a horse.
Horse?